Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the Accounts and Backup. Now let's tap on the backup data in the Google Drive section, and as you can see right now we have to tap on the account in order to obviously add a backup account. If you cannot find this option, it means that this option is turned off. As you can see, the accounts simply disappeared. So just make sure to tap on this switcher and then we can enter the account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own backup account yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and actually I've got it saved, so let me tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you will receive all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept. We should have the full list, so as you can see the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also text messages. So just tap on OK, and here we've got our added Google account, so it means that from now on all the content will be stored on the Google Drive. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.